Learn 7 ways to use off in English. 1. Turn off. This is probably the most common use of off. It means to stop the flow of something, such as turning off a light or turning off the water faucet. Example, please turn off the TV when you're done watching it. 2. Get off. This means to physically remove oneself from something, such as a bus, train, or bike. Example, I need to get off at the next bus stop. 3. Take off. This means to remove something, such as clothes or a hat. Example, please take off your shoes before entering the house. 4. Lay off. This means to stop doing something, especially when it's annoying or bothering someone else. Example, can you please lay off the loud music for a while? 5. Call off. This means to cancel an event or meeting. Example, the game was called off due to bad weather. 6. Show off. This means to display one's abilities or possessions in an ostentatious manner. Example, she always shows off her new jewelry whenever she gets the chance. 7. Off the top of one's head. This means to say something without thinking about it too much, or without having all the facts. Example, I can't remember his phone number off the top of my head.